Historic 1900 stone home built in Liberty just off the square. Beautiful original woodwork throughout, hardwood floors, pocket doors and a butler's pantry just to name a few. 3 floors of old and new, historic and modern updated bathrooms, kitchen and new primary bedroom west/ensuite on upper level, energy-efficient windows, climate-controlled. Main level, living room, updated KT west/granite counters, pantry, dining room/bedroom, fam and sitting rooms and half bath. Second floor sitting area with BR2 west/half bath, 3 or 4 as well west/full bath. Dry full basement below, 2-car detached garage west/storage, chicken coop behind garage with chickens and fresh eggs, wraparound stone porch in front to relax with friends. A one-of-a-kind home in a great location.